ओ पालनहारे निर्गुण न्यारे तुमरे बिन हमरा कौन नाही तुमरे बिन हमरा कौन नाही हमरे उलझन सुलझाओ भगवन तुमरे बिन हमरा कौन नाही तुमरे बिन हमरा कौन नाही तुमरे हमका हो संभाले तुमरे हमरे रखवाले तुमरे बिन हमरा कौन नाही तुमरे बिन हमरा कौन नाही चंदा में तुम्हें तो बरे हो चांदनी सूरज में उजाला तुम्हें से ये गगन है मगन तुम्हें तो दिए हो इस तारे भगवन ये जीवन तुम्हें न सवारोगे तो क्या कोई सवारे ओ पालनहारे निर्गुण न्यारे तुमरे बिन हमरा कौन नाही तुमरे बिन हमरा कौन नाही जो पालनहारे निर्गुण न्यारे तुमरे बिन हमरा कौन नाही तुमरे बिन हमरा कौन नाही तुमरे बिन हमरा कौन नाही आहा कष्ट हरन तेरा नाम रामा हो कामाल नैन वाले राम आहा कष्ट हरन आहा दुख हर तेरा नाम राम हो कामाल नैन वाले राम हो कामाल नैन वाले राम आहा कष्ट हर आहा दुख हर तेरा नाम राम हो कामाल नैन वाले राम हो कामाल नैन वाले राम गत गत में तेरी आबा समाई गत गत में तेरी आबा समाई तू ही सभी का साचा सहाय तू ही सभी का साचा सहाय तू ही है सारे जगत का रचैया तू ही है सारे जगत का रचैया हाथों में तेरी लगाम है राम आहा कष्ट हर आहा दुख हर तेरा नाम रामा हो कामाल नैन बलराम रामा हो कामाल नैन बलराम। कैसे सुनाई महिमा तुम्हारी, कैसे सुनाई महिमा तुम्हारी, नहीं बानियों में शक्ति हमारी, नहीं बानियों में शक्ति हमारी, सब प्राणियों का तू ही है दाता, सब प्राणियों का तू ही है दाता, अब है तुम्हारी गुलाम हे राम। आहा कष्ट हर आहा दुख हर तेरा नाम रामा हो कामाल नैन बलराम रामा हो कामाल नैन बलराम। चाहे जाए न जाए हम तुमको चाहे जाए न जाए, तेरी शरण में आए न आए, तेरी शरण में आए न आए, तू ही सभी पति को लुटाए, तू ही सभी पति को लुटाए, देखो सभी को आराम हे राम। आहा कष्ट हर आहा दुख हर तेरा नाम रामा हो कामाल नैन बलराम रामा हो कामाल नैन बलराम। आहा कष्ट हर आहा दुख हर तेरा नाम रामा हो कामाल नैन बलराम रामा हो कामाल नैन बलराम रामा हो 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 रामा हो।
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय
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 ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
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 हरि ओम विघ्नेश्वराय वरदाय सुरप्रालम्भोतराय सकलाय जगद्धिताय नागासुरप्रिय के विभूषिताय गौरीसुताय गणनाथ नमो नमस्ते। इन वन वॉइस। वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देवा सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। लक्ष्मी नारायण भगवान की जय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। अपवित्र पवित्र वा सर्ववस्थं घटोऽप्य यस्मरेत् पुण्डरीकाक्ष सवहयं तरसुचे स्नानम्। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
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 वस्त्रदानं वेद सूक्तं समायुक्तं यज्ञशामा समन्विते सर्वे प्रदे देवा वाससे प्रतिगृहीतां। यज्ञोपवीतं परमं पवित्रं स्थापितं पुरुषं तटने आयुषमुग्रं प्रतिमुञ्च शुभ्रं यज्ञोपवीतं बलमस्तु तेज। त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमेव वन्दना मृत्युर्मोक्षमामृताचन्दनम्। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
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 गोविंद हरि गोपाल हरि हे गोपी गोपी माला। गोविंद हरि गोपाल हरि हे मुरली ज्ञान लोला।
गोविंद हरि गोपाल हरि हे गोपी गोपी बाला। गोविंद हरि गोपाल हरि हे मुरली गान लोला।
जय जय गिरिधर गोपाला। जय जय गिरिधर गोपाला। जय जय गिरिधर गोपाला। हरिद्रनादं समर्पयामि।
गोपाला जय गिरिधर गोपाला
सिंदूरं समर्पयामि।
गोपाला
जय जय गिरिधर गोपाला जय जय गिरिधर गोपाला जय जय गिरिधर गोपाला
जय जय गिरिधर गोपाला जय जय गिरिधर गोपाला जय जय गिरिधर गोपाला
जय जय गिरिधर गोपाला जय जय गिरिधर गोपाला जय जय गिरिधर गोपाला दुर्बलानं समर्पयामि जय जय गिरिधर गोपाला जय जय गिरिधर गोपाला
जय जय गिरिधर गोपाला
शंभो महादेवा शिव शंभो महादेवा
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 दुर्गे 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 जय जय मां
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 दुर्गे दुर्गे जय जय मां
दुर्गे 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 जय जय मां बोलो
दुर्गे 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 जय जय मां
दुर्गे 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 जय जय मां
दुर्गे 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 जय जय मां
चित छोटा यशोदा की बाल नवनीत चोर गोपाल
चित चोरा यशोदा की बाल नवनीत चोर गोपाल
चित छोटा यशोदा की बाल नवनीत चोर गोपाल
चित चोरा यशोदा की बाल नवनीत चोर गोपाल
गोपाल गोपाल
गोपाल
गोपाल गोपाल
गोपाल गोपाल
जय जय गिरिवर्धन गोपाल
जय जय गिरिवर्धन गोपाल
जय जय गिरिधर गोपाला जय जय गिरिधर गोपाला जय जय गिरिधर गोपाला
जय जय गिरिधर गोपाला जय जय गिरिधर गोपाला जय जय गिरिधर गोपाला
जय जय गिरिधर गोपाला जय जय गिरिधर गोपाला जय जय गिरिधर गोपाला
जय जय गिरिधर गोपाला जय जय गिरिधर गोपाला जय जय गिरिधर गोपाला
चित चोरा यशोदा की माँ नवनीत चोर गोपाल
चित चोरा यशोदा
ब्रह्मर्पणमस्तु कृष्णार्पणम
नवनीत चोर गोपाल
गोविंद हरे गोपाल हरे हे गोपी गोपी बाला गोविंद हरे गोपाल हरे हे मुरली गान लोला
गोविंद हरे गोपाल हरे हे गोपी गोपी बाला गोविंद हरे गोपाल हरे हे मुरली गान लोला
जय जय गिरिधर गोपाला जय जय गिरिधर गोपाला जय जय गिरिधर गोपाला
जय जय गिरिधर गोपाला जय जय गिरिधर गोपाला जय जय गिरिधर गोपाला
चित चोरा यशोदा की माँ नवनीत चोर गोपाल
चित चोरा यशोदा की माँ नवनीत चोर गोपाल
ताम्बूलं समर्पयामि आचमनीं समर्पयामि ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय चित्तचोरा यशोदा की माँ नवनीत चोर गोपाल
चित चोरा यशोदा की माँ नवनीत चोर गोपाल
गोविंद हरे गोपाल हरे हे गोपी गोपी बाला गोविंद हरे गोपाल हरे हे मुरली ज्ञान लोला
गोविंद हरे गोपाल हरे हे गोपी गोपी बाला गोविंद हरे गोपाल हरे हे मुरली गान लोला
जय जय गिरिधर गोपाला जय जय गिरिधर गोपाला जय जय गिरिधर गोपाला
जय जय गिरिधर गोपाला जय जय गिरिधर गोपाला जय जय गिरिधर गोपाला
जय जय गिरिधर गोपाला जय जय गिरिधर गोपाला जय जय गिरिधर गोपाला चित चोरा यशोदा की माँ नवनीत चोर गोपाल
चित चोरा यशोदा की माँ नवनीत चोर गोपाल
गोपाल गोपाल
गोपाल गोपाल
गोपाल गोपाल
गोपाल गोपाल
जय जय गिरिवर्धन गोपाल
जय जय गिरिवर्धन गोपाल
जय जय गिरिधर गोपाला जय जय गिरिधर गोपाला जय जय गिरिधर गोपाला
जय जय गिरिधर गोपाला जय जय गिरिधर गोपाला जय जय गिरिधर गोपाला
चित चोरा यशोदा की माँ नवनीत चोर गोपाल
चित चोरा यशोदा की माँ नवनीत चोर गोपाल
राधे गोविंद गोपाल जय गोविंद राधे गोपाल
राधे गोविंद गोपाला जय गोविंद राधे गोपाला
राधे गोविंद गोपाल जय गोविंद राधे गोपाल
राधे गोविंद गोपाला जय गोविंद राधे गोपाला
कृष्णा मधुसूदना मधुसूदना कृष्णा
कृष्णा मधुसूदना मधुसूदना
कृष्णा मधुसूदना मधुसूदना कृष्णा
ओ कृष्णा मधुसूदना मधुसूदना कृष्णा
गोविंद गोविंद गोपाला
गोविंद गोविंद गोपाला
साई गोविंद गोविंद गोपाला
साई गोविंद गोविंद गोपाला
राधे गोविंद गोपाला जय गोविंद राधे गोपाला गोपाल जय गोविंद राधे गोपाला
राधे गोविंद गोपाला जय गोविंद राधे गोपाला
Turn to the person next to you. Ask them, how are you? Turn to the person next to you. Ask them, you know what time it is? Ask them. Ask them. Tell them, it's Bhagavad time. Tell them. I didn't hear you. What time is it? It's Bhagavad time. And when we in the Bhagavad, we came here by the grace and the daya of Bhagwan. And so because we are here, we're already here, we have been blessed with the grace. Now, we express our bhakti or devotion to Bhagwan. I know it is a little bit warm. I think I am already soaked down. Soaked. That's the power of Dev's teeth. We're already here. So we're going to express our bhakti or devotion to Bhagwan. If you're afraid that the person next to you will hear how you're singing, close your eye, they wouldn't hear. If you're afraid that the person next to you will get upset because you're clapping, turn the next side. And if you feel you can't clap and sing and you feel you could dance, I want to tell you, I don't feel I could dance, I know I could dance. But the problem is when I dance, I get in trouble. Because I am not supposed to be human. I'm just supposed to be Pandit. Pandits, apparently, they're not humans. Oh, did I say that? So, let's clap our hands and let's sing and let's make a joyful noise unto Bhagwan. Let's feel his energy. Let's invite him. Let's ask him to come and to intervene in our lives. Everybody, sing with me. Radhe Govinda Gopala Jai Govinda Radhe Gopala
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 Krishna Madhusudana Madhusudana Krishna
Krishna Madhusudana Madhusudana Krishna
Krishna Madhusudana Madhusudana Krishna
Krishna Madhusudana Madhusudana Krishna
Govinda Govinda Gopala
Govinda Govinda Gopala
Sai Govinda Govinda Gopala
Sai Govinda Govinda Gopala
Radhe Govinda Gopala Jai Govinda Radhe 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 Gopala
Om Hari Om Hari Om Hari Om. Chant with me.
Om Hari Om Hari Om Hari Om
Bolo. Om Hari Om Hari Om Hari Om.
Om Hari Om Hari Om Hari Om
Parabrahma Shiva Hari Om
Parabrahma Shiva Hari Om
Paravishnu Shiva Hari Om
Parvishnu Shiva Hari Om
Parabrahma Shiva Hari Om
Parabrahma Shiva Hari Om
Paravishnu Shiva Hari Om
Parvishnu Shiva Hari Om
Hari Om Hari Om Jai Shiva Om
Hari Om Jai Shiva Om
Hari Om, Jai Shiva Om.
हरि ओम जय शिव
Om Hari Om, Hari Om, Hari Om.
ओम हरि ओम हरि ओम हरि ओम
Om Hari Om, Hari Om, Hari Om.
ओम हरि ओम हरि ओम
Let's try this one more time, everybody. Radhe Govinda Gopala, Jai Govinda Radhe Gopala.
राधे गोविंद गोपाल
I want to hear you. Sing with me, everybody.
राधे
Sing with all your love, everybody. Radhe Govinda Jai Govinda. I can't hear you. Radhe Govinda Jai Govinda. Krishna Madhusundana, Madhusundana Krishna. Krishna Madhusundana, Krishna Madhusundana. Govinda Govinda Gopala, Hari Govinda. Sai Govinda Govinda, Sai Govinda Govinda. Radhe Govinda Gopala, Jai Govinda Radhe Gopala. Hari Bol.
गोविंद गोपाल जय गोविंद राधे गोपाल
Radhe Govinda Gopala, Jai Govinda Radhe Gopala.
राधे गोविंद गोपाल जय गोविंद राधे गोपाल
बना चित चोरा वृंदावन संसारा गोपाला गोपाला ही मुरली गोपाला.
राशित चोरा वृंदावन संचार गोपाला गोपाला हे मुरली गोपाला
बना चित चोरा वृंदावन संसारा गोपाला गोपाला ही मुरली गोपाला.
राशित चोरा वृंदावन संचार गोपाला गोपाला हे मुरली गोपाला
In our morning session, we saw where Bhagwan Krishna, he saw everybody frantic and everywhere, and they were running to and fro and bringing different ingredients. And he looked at them and he inquired, "What are you going to do?" And so they all stated they were going to pray. Who they were going to pray to? They were going to pray to Lord Indra. Who is Indra? Indra Dev is the god of the heavens. And Indra Dev, he has a responsibility. What is his responsibility? His responsibility is to provide rain. What is your responsibility? What is your responsibility? Turn to the person next to you and ask them, "Hey, what's your responsibility?" Ask them. What is your responsibility? What are you responsible for? It says Indradev, he was happy knowing that everybody was going to worship him. And so Indradev, he was sitting and waiting for when the worship will begin. But you know what will happen? Krishna made an announcement. Why worship Indra? You're wasting your time. Worship the Govardhan mountain. This mountain provides food and shelter. And this mountain supports us and helps us to enjoy life and existence. So don't pray to Indra, pray to the mountain. And instead now of preparing Indra Puja, they started to prepare for Govardhan Puja. Indra Dev became furious. He became upset. He became angry. And you know what he did? He started to send his rain. When we become upset, when we become angry, we try to send. True or not? Hello? We try to send. A person who truly cannot contain his anger begins to send. Maybe verbally. Maybe through messages, text and otherwise. Maybe through letters. Have you ever read an angry letter before? Have you ever read an angry letter before? Hello? You never met when you, Ria, you remember? When you were now dating Shiva and there wasn't WhatsApp and you had to put the letter in an envelope and post it. You remember? Or you didn't have those days? Well, you have to be old like me. Maybe only I had those old days. Huh? And then you sent the letter, but no reply came. So in reply to the first letter that you sent an angry letter. Well, I write you and you never even reply self. Huh. Exclamation, exclamation. Huh? There's some people, they're just not brave enough. They're not brave enough to confront you and to talk to you and to state their problem with you. So they try to drag the whole world into the problem. There's some people, they're just not educated enough or intelligent enough, if that's the correct word, to stand face to face with you and say, listen, I have a problem with you. Because you know why? They have recognized that you really do have a problem with them. They have a problem with themselves. And if they can't be happy in their own shoe, then how you expect them to be happy for you? Jagannath, how you expect them to be happy for you? If they can't be happy in their own position, then how can they be happy about you in yours? And so Indradev, he became angry and he started to shower the rain. And they went to Lord Krishna, and you know what they said to Lord Krishna? They said, oh Krishna, you told us to worship the Govardhan, and look what Indra is doing. Our homes are flooded, we will drown, we will be destroyed. And Lord Krishna said, well, all I told you was worship Govardhan, and in order to worship Govardhan, you're supposed to be there, not in your flooded home. If you are in your home, chances are you'll get flooded and you'll be destroyed. But if you go to the mountain that I told you to go to, then you'll be sheltered. But you see, we're not good at listening. We hear, but we don't listen. Is that true? The senior pundit said in the Yagya last month, he said, everybody uses the ears, but everybody uses the ears differently. Some people hear, and when they hear, it go through this ears, and it come out the next one. Some people listen, and when they listen, it go through this ears and come out the mouth. And some people listen, and it goes through the air, and it resonates. It remains somewhere inside of you. You remember when he said that? The choice is yours. The things you're supposed to allow to just bounce off and disappear, you allow those things to affect you. Foolish things, eh? And the serious, critical thing you hear, and it come out the next air. It says Indradev showering his rain, and as the flood started to rise, Lord Krishna lifted the entire mountain. And I made the comparison of Lord Hanuman holding the mountain, and now Lord Krishna is holding the mountain. Hanumanji is holding the mountain in his whole palm. But Lord Krishna, you see, Lord Krishna came after that time when Hanuman had lifted that mountain. And so Lord Krishna is coming to remind us again that when life throws out the problem and the problem appears to be like a huge mountain, he doesn't even have to use his whole palm. He could hold that mountain on his little finger. And so Krishna held up the mountain for 7 days and 7 nights, and there was rain, torrential rains and showers. And what will happen? Indradev had no more water. No more water. After you use all your ammunition, what you'll use to fight? Huh? You have exerted all your ammunition, what you'll use to fight? Let me change that. Who go fight for you? Who will fight for you at that time? They like you because you're in authority, you're in power. But the minute you have no power, who will like you? Hello? Who will like you? The lesson of the day is, you are your best friend, and you are sometimes your worst enemy. Sometimes the people you consider to be your best friend, they are really your worst enemies. And instead of plotting for you, they're silently plotting against you. You have to be intelligent. You have to be wise. Tell the person next to you, you have to be wise. Tell them. Tell them. I find you in telling them good. Tell them I want to hear. You have to be wise. Tell them. Radhe Govinda Gopala, Jai Govinda Radhe Gopala.
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 Have you given thought? Every saint had a past. Have you given thought to that? Have you given thought that every saint had a past? And they weren't always saintly? Hello? You wasn't always wearing urni and singing Jai Jagadisha Hare, were you? You know, I happened to be the scapegoat for many of my cousins when it came to liming and partying and one evening they had now opened that club that is called Screamers. You all remember when it was Screamers? And everybody planned to go, but listen to what they said. They said that they were going to spend the night by us in Gulfview and they were going to have a night out. And you see, somebody sneeze already because they're telling you the truth. I start telling you the whole truth. And about 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, you could hear the boom, boom, boom from the house. And they say, son, drop winner. From the time you hear son, you don't know, eh? I say, okay, so I'll drop you and what time I should pick you up back? So I drop them off and I go back home. And I could hardly sleep because I'm waiting for the call. I don't want to miss the call because I have to go and pick them up back. So I go and I pick them up. But everybody sit inside of the car, but there is one cousin missing. We're looking everywhere for him and we can't find him. And he a little dark in complexion too, eh? We're looking everywhere for him and we can't find him, but it is a van and there is a tray in the back, an open tray. We're looking and we can't find him. I say, you see me, I don't know what I'm going to tell his mother. How am I going to account for somebody else's child? What am I going to say? I quarreling and everybody laughing and enjoying the moment. So we get fed up of looking. So I in my mind formulated, well, he probably went home. He decided to go home. I don't know. So we went. We're afraid to call home to see if he reached there. So we went home. Everybody showered and went to their bed. About 9 o'clock, the doorbell is ringing. He went in the tray of the van. He saw the van. He didn't come inside. He went in the tray and lie down and fell asleep. And only when the sun get hot, 9 o'clock, and start to blaze him, and you know he done blew already, drawing the heat, he start ringing the bell. And I looked at him, I said, you know what? They say saved by the bell. You save, we save, everybody save. Thank God for the bell. Huh? I want to tell you that this is how Krishna Leela is. It is like this. It steals away your consciousness. It takes away your trouble. It takes away your problems. Krishna said, if you followed my instruction, then you wouldn't be worried. You wouldn't have to endure the flood because you wouldn't be home. And I made the point. That's why we have congregational worship, where we could come together in one accord. This morning, many people were tested by a little rain. You see the rain and you say, me, I go in this session, I go take a little sleep. I go rest this session and next session I go. When rain fall in my kneecap, this hot me. I just catch a junjani in my brains. Huh? And you know, I say knee all the time, and the people who have knee issues, you know, they say, when you reach my age and you see and you have a knee. Well, let me tell you something. I sit down and fold my knee every day, 100 times. If you were practicing folding your knee and doing different exercises and yoga, then maybe you wouldn't have so much trouble too. I know the old people used to plant rice long time and walk barefoot in the lagoon. Huh? And tie cow and tie goat and tie sheep and walking in the yard and everywhere barefoot. And they died and they never complained of arthritis and thing. Huh? They never had pain and thing. You have bedroom slipper and outside slipper and tall boots and short boots and ugly boots and plenty pain. It says, Indradev, he has been taught his lesson. And as Indradev has been taught his lesson, what will happen? Something else is about to happen. Let's put our hands together. Let's pray. Varnanam Rita Sanganam Rasanam Chandra Samapi Mangalanam Chakaritaru Vande Vani Vinayako Bhavani Shankaro Vande Shraddha Vishwasvarupino Yabhyam Vinana Pashanti Siddha Swantastameshwaram. In one voice. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. With love, everybody. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. One more time. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Bolo Shri Sitaram 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 Jai Siyavar Ram. Bolo
सीताराम 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 जय सियावर राम
Radhe Shyam Radhe Shyam Radhe Shyam Jai Siyavar Ram.
राधे श्याम राधे श्याम राधे श्याम जय सियावर राम
कृष्णा अपना साथ साथ घर का जंगल मेरे कुछ समया बहुत भूखा लगे पास भोजना. बोलो सीताराम 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 जय सियावर राम. Sing with me.
सीताराम 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 जय सियावर राम
राधे श्याम राधे श्याम राधे श्याम जय सियावर राम. बोलो
राधे श्याम राधे श्याम राधे श्याम जय सियावर राम.
One day Bhagwan Krishna, along with all of his mates, all of his friends, they went into the deep forest. Do you have friends? Hello, do you have friends? What kind of friends do you have? Do you have genuine friends? Or do you have pretensive friends? Sometimes they could be genuinely pretensive. Or pretensive in a genuine way now. You could say it anyhow. Vice versa. Huh? What kind of friends do you have? You know when you could test your relationship and your friendship? You test your relationship and your friendship in your down days. In the days when there is sickness and trouble and death, and that's when you could test the friendship to see what kind of friendship it really is. Bhagwan Krishna and his friends, his mates, they went into the forest. And as they went into the forest, what will happen? They are all boys. Soon after going into the forest, they started to feel hungry. The mothers will tell you that sometimes their son's stomach can be referred to as a bottomless pit. Because when they start to eat, they really eat. True or not? Hello? Is that true or not, mother? Mother passed by the kitchen and she said, you eat the whole roti? And he said, well, you didn't tell me you wanted. Huh? I have no envy over the mothers who would have had 15 sons in the day when she had to seke roti on the chulha. She probably had to make 25. Because long ago, it was a little bit of the curry and plenty roti. You all remember that? A little bit of the curry and plenty roti. You're just touching the roti in the curry and you're eating it. You all remember that? Long ago, they used to cut and fix to suit. It didn't have the curry. You know what they'll eat? Butter and roti and kuchila. You all ever eat that? I still love that. Butter and roti and kuchila. You didn't have that. You know what they will eat? What they will eat? Jam and roti. You all ever eat that before? Jam and roti? You never eat that? Homemade jam, eh? Where you boil the guava home in your own pot. with some spice and some sugar, and you make your own jelly at home. You all ever did that before? Huh? Ripe fig and roti. You all ever eat that? You never eat ripe fig and roti? Half of your life gone. Long ago, the old people never used to only eat banana, you know. They will peel the plantain and eat right around and throw away the seed. They'll peel the moko and eat right around. You all know the moko? They'll peel the moko and eat right around and throw away the seed because the seed part would be hard. You all know about that? You ever eat fig and roti? Chapati, fig and ghee. If you eat that, Narayan, Narayan, you feel like you're in heaven. You experience bliss. They used to eat dahi and roti. You all ever eat that? Let me tell you a classic food that no amount of money could pay for. You break up the roti in little pieces and you soak it in some dal. You all ever eat that? That's like I'm telling you on my mouth dribbling. That's like the best food ever. You all ever eat doodh piti? You all ever eat doodh piti? You know what is that? You probably ate dal piti before. But did you ever eat doodh piti? Doodh piti means dumpling boiled in milk. You all ever eat that before? Oh God, I should stop talking about food. You all ever ate chota roti before? Chota. You all know what's chota? Chota is, they didn't have no dal. They didn't have no yam, they didn't have no aloo, they didn't have nothing to fill in the roti. So they pull a handful of sugar in the roti. They boil in that roti and they make it on the tawa. Just like you're making a dal puri. And they call that chota. In the time of Navratri, one of the days in the Navratri, chota is one of the parsads of the Devi. Chota. You're supposed to make that roti, that sweet roti, to offer to the Devi. You ever eat satwa? You all know what's satwa? You don't know what's satwa? Nigel, you have to be old like me, boy. Have you ever had satwa, Indra, before? You know what's satwa? Where they patch the corn or any kind of peas that they had, they will patch it and then they'll grind it in a jhata. You all know what's a jhata? Just now when the Ganesh Utsav Foundation's temple is finished, we'll have all of those things, the jhata and the okri and the sil and the lorha and all of the old things. We have all of those things, the coal pot and the heater that you used to put on the tower. You all know about that? We'll have all of those things. I have started gathering all of those things. But there will be a special corner where we'll put all of those things. So if you think you have something old, like a simta or anything old that you think you'll want to put in there, let us know. Talk to Nigel and Adira. Talk to them. And so, also we are looking for anybody who has the copper. You all know the copper? The water vessel, the copper. We're looking for a huge copper. We don't mind if we'll have to pay for it. We want a huge copper. Actually, we don't want to sound greedy, but we want more than one. But if I say one, chances are you would know somebody else come. So, and when you see what we're going to do with the copper, you'll be amazed. Instead of having it like rubbish out in the yard, you're going to get a great blessing out of that, I promise you. So anybody who has the huge copper, the water copper, contact us. We need a copper. We need that for the temple. So they went into the forest, and as they went into the forest, they became hungry. And so the boys, they expressed this to Lord Krishna. But Lord Krishna, what he will do? He had nothing to eat. So because he had nothing to eat, he had nothing to offer. He had nothing to eat, so he had nothing to offer. And so they looked at Krishna and they're asking, what will we do? What will we do? And Lord Krishna, he replies, listen. Bolo Sita Ram, Sita Ram, Sita Ram, Jai Siyavar Ram. Bolo
Sita Ram, Sita Ram, सीताराम जय सियावर राम।
राधे श्याम राधे श्याम राधे श्याम जय सियावर राम।
राधे श्याम राधे श्याम राधे श्याम जय सियावर राम।
कुछ कहने की कान्हाड़ी की इच्छा करे का युद्ध कह भूके अधिकारी के अग्नि दे उपाता। सीताराम 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 जय सियावर राम। बोलो
सीताराम 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 जय सियावर राम।
राधे श्याम राधे श्याम जय सियावर राम।
राधे श्याम राधे श्याम राधे श्याम जय सियावर राम।
After they voiced to Krishna that they were hungry, and Krishna voiced that there was nothing to eat, then in a distance they started to smell the sweet aroma. Listen to the description that is being given. They started to smell the sweet aroma of the Havan. Have you ever smelled Havan from somebody else's puja? And you say, boy, that's smelling good. Have you ever smelled the Havan from somebody else's puja? Stranger, I want to tell you about something that is very strange that you may have paid no heed to before. How is it possible that when you burn a little bit of Google in the Dupdani, in the Havan Kund, it fragrance the place and the place smells really nice, isn't it? How much funerals you went to before? And they do that Havan, and that Havan lasts for how long? You ever smell anything out of that? Have you ever gotten the smell of Google? But they're pouring the same Google in there. Huh? They paste on the body not 1 pong or ong so 5 pong. You ever smell it? How come? Hello, how come? Because the offerings to the Devatas always, there is always a difference. You make the same rot out of puja and it never tastes the same as though you make it in puja. True or not? You make the same Mohan Bhog out of puja and it never tastes like the one from puja. True or not? You make the same Lapsi and Suhari, and because there is no puja and it was not blessed, it tastes totally different. Isn't it? They started to smell this sweet aroma, and smelling this coming out of the Havan, they recognized that some being was having yajna. Listen to what they're saying, some being was having yajna. Yajna is not only this. Yajna is not only this. You see the day when you're having the puja at home, the day when you're having the puja at home and you invite the Baba to come to put up the jhandi in the yard, you can consider that puja to be a yajna. You know how? By inviting your parents. Once your parents, they are present, that is not a puja, that is a yajna. It transforms into a yajna. Having the holy people come, it transforms into a yajna. You know when the puja turns into a yajna, Naija? When you invite the people you don't like. The people that you don't like, that you feel don't like you and you don't like them, and I don't know why we think that we could like and dislike. I don't know why. I don't know who are we to like and dislike, really. Because if I used to behave like that, everybody would be in real trouble. I don't. I embrace everybody equally, the same way. They say, but you like he, you like she, and you do. I say, you crazy. Because the same thing I'll do for them is the same thing I'll do for you and everybody and anybody, and once you know me, you know that's the truth, isn't it? The same thing I'll do for anybody and everybody. The same way. No different. But I feel them closer and you feel. And sometimes you're feeling just as foolish as you. Sometimes. It says, They were performing yajna. And so Krishna guided the boys in the direction in which the smoke was coming from. And as they went there, what will happen? Listen. Bolo Sita Ram, Sita Ram, Sita Ram, Jai Siyavar Ram.
Sita Ram, Sita Ram, Sita Ram, Jai Siyavar Ram.
Radhe Shyam, Radhe Shyam, Radhe Shyam, Jai Siyavar Ram.
Radhe Shyam, Radhe Shyam, Radhe Shyam, Jai Siyavar Ram.
देखन कृष्णा कुछ का होगा देकर भीता देख मथुरा कुछ का ब्राह्मण युग हरे कर देवा बोलो सीताराम 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 जय सियावर राम
सीताराम 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 जय सियावर राम
राधे श्याम राधे श्याम राधे श्याम जय सियावर राम
राधे श्याम राधे श्याम राधे श्याम जय सियावर राम.
Krishna and his friends, they went to that place where the worship was happening. And going to that place where the worship was happening, they started to beg for food. But it was the Brahmanas in this place, Mathura, they were performing the yajna. And so they along with their wives were performing the yajna. But when they went to that place, they did not have the patience to sit and wait until the yajna was done. They started to state that they were hungry. You ever go to a function and you can't wait to eat? You go to the wedding reception and talking and your stomach catching a junjani. Your belly go guru, all different kind of sound. And you say, when them go done talk, boy. When we will get food, boy. Some people are intelligent. They carry something to eat. Some people who are even more intelligent, they eat before they go. Huh? You eat before you go, so that at least you're able to keep yourself up while there is all this speech and all the talking and everything happening. And what will happen? It says, they asked for food and the Brahmanas felt disrespected, and so they chased them away. They chased them away. One of the rules, one of the laws of the Ganesh Utsav Foundation is that nobody should be disrespected because of our president still good enough. Our vice president is the one we have to be worried about. When we order the food, he goes behind our back and does his own thing. We order 2 kula, he call and he order 4. We say we cooking for 200, he tell them cook for 400. And poor Papa Malu, though his brain sweating, he say, well, what I do? I have to do what the man say. Or else what? Bolo Sita Ram, Sita Ram, Sita Ram, Jai Siyavar Ram.
Sita Ram, Sita Ram, Sita Ram, Jai Siyavar Ram.
Radhe Shyam, Radhe Shyam, Radhe Shyam, Jai Siyavar Ram.
Radhe Shyam, Radhe Shyam, Radhe Shyam, Jai Siyavar Ram.
उन्होंने कहा भोजन पूछे एकर पीछा गैया कृष्णा गयो को भोजन ब्राह्मण पटनी देखा जब कल मिल के देकर कूटा पत्ती देकर चलता कृष्णा भोजन चाट देकर स्वादिष्ट देखा बोलो सीताराम 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 जय सियावर राम
सीताराम 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 जय सियावर राम
राधे श्याम जय सियावर राम।
राधे श्याम जय सियावर राम।
The Brahmana's wives recognized that it was Krishna and his friends. And you know what they did? They recognized that their husband was vexed already. So you know what they decided to do? They decided to take all the food and give it to Krishna and his friends. For they knew that they were already upset. And there is nothing they can do to make them more upset. There is nothing like more vex. It's either you're vexed or you're not vexed. You can't get more vex. I have come to the understanding that whether you vex or you not vex, that not affecting me. I am not allowing your vex to affect me. The only person your vex affect is who? Tell the person next to you, when you get vexed, it affecting you. Tell them, hard, I want to hear. Only you're doing it good, man. Tell them, when you get vexed, it affecting you. Tell them. Tell them one more thing. Tell them one more thing for me. Say it how I'm telling you. And only you. Tell them. Only you. Nobody else is affected by that. Kishan, only you. Nobody else. Only you. Your vex is only affecting you. They took all the food and they gave it to Krishna and his friends. And you know what Krishna does? Krishna and his friends disappear from that place quickly. For Krishna has an idea of what might happen. And so as they disappear, they go and they enjoy the food. But when the puja is done, the yajna is done, and the brahmanas now begin to search for food, what will happen? What will happen? Bolo Sita Ram, Sita Ram, Sita Ram, Jai Siyavar Ram.
Sita Ram, Sita Ram, Sita Ram, Jai Siyavar Ram.
Radhe Shyam, Radhe Shyam, Radhe Shyam, Jai Siyavar Ram.
Radhe Shyam, Radhe Shyam, Radhe Shyam, Jai Siyavar Ram.
Krishna and they enjoyed the food and the brahmanas had nothing to eat. When they could have shared, they refused to share. And in refusing to share, they lost everything. In refusing to share, they lost everything. One old man said to me, he said, all your Pandit need to learn, you know. And I said, what we need to learn? He said, I want to tell you, you know, listen to me. I old and I have wisdom. I said, okay, tell me, what is there to learn? He said, well, all it is preach in the book, give to get. Well, I want to tell you in my wisdom, I will keep to have. Listen to what he says. You all preaching give to get, I going to keep to have. I am not going to give to get. I going to keep to have. Remember? Remember the old Pandit? The snow cone man passing and the children go and they say, Mama, Mama, we want snow cone. And Mama go by Baba S and she say, hey, give me $5 to buy snow cone for the children. He say, eh? She said, give me $5 to buy snow cone for the children. He say, eh? She gone by the next says, I want $20 to buy snow cone for the children. He said, go back by the $5 is. Go back by the $5 is. Do we hear? What do we learn? Do we hear? What impact does it have on us? Being present is just being present. But learning when you are present is what is important. A child going to school is not important. But a child coming out qualified academically is what is important. So too when we go to the yajna, we go to the places of worship, we must leave here qualified spiritually as better beings. And if we didn't leave here as a better being, then we wasted our time. All we came here for was Parsad and Panchamrit and Karhi, and that's what we came for. But we have to leave here as better beings. And the lessons are not only lessons for you, the lessons are for me too. The lessons are to teach me, and through me to you and to the world around you. It is for all of us. We are all on this pathway together. We are all on the pathway together. Nobody is up, nobody is down. We are all equal. When the time comes to sweep, Ashish sweep. When the time comes to clean, Selena clean. When the time comes to pray, everybody praying. Everybody knows. Place, date, time, situation, circumstances. We do whatever we can to the best of our ability. With or without, whatever we have, we try our best to do our best. And that's the point. Do your best. To others it might seem not good enough, but to you, you feel fulfilled. I have done my best. Tell the person next to you, always do your best. Tell them. And a person with ego, hearing you saying that, a person with ego, hearing you saying that, will say, well, all I do is do my best. But a person with humility will say, I will try. Because in trying, many times you will fail. None of us were perfect. In trying, we will fail. But never allow your failures to keep you down. Use them as stepping stones. And in some instances, use them as building blocks and build an empire for yourself. Build a castle for yourself. Build something divine for yourself. It says, the Brahmanas are in search of food, but they have lost everything because they refused to share. Lesson. The lesson. Sharing is, I can't hear you. Sharing is, Bolo Sita Ram, Sita Ram, Sita Ram, Jai Siyavar Ram.
Sita Ram, Sita Ram, Sita Ram, Jai Siyavar Ram.
Radhe Sham, Radhe Sham, Radhe Sham, Jai Siyavar Ram.
Radhe Sham, Radhe Sham, Radhe Sham, Jai Siyavar Ram.
Sita Ram, Sita Ram, Sita Ram, Jai Siyavar Ram.
Sita Ram, Sita Ram, Sita Ram, Jai Siyavar Ram.
Ishwa, I want you to go quickly and get Rendrick and all of them in the back. Tell them I'm calling them in front. The ladies too. Tell them I'm calling them. Selena and Shania, can you please come quickly? Sita Ram, Sita Ram, Sita Ram, Jai Siyavar Ram.
Sita Ram, Sita Ram, Sita Ram, Jai Siyavar Ram.
Radhe Sham, Radhe Sham, Radhe Sham, Jai Siyavar Ram.
Radhe Sham, Radhe Sham, Radhe Sham, Jai Siyavar Ram.
When you look up on the stage, these two children that you are seeing, Selena and Shania, they're two of the three daughters that Dave and Cindy, they have. Of all the children that I've met, just like maybe Ashish and Ari, and Priya and Amy, and these two children, they're very tolerant children. They're very open-minded children. And they're very accommodating children. Would you agree? We have invaded their space. We have taken from their time. Before I came outside this evening, Selena gave me a little buffer. She looked at me and she said, it's 2023. Try and get an iPad. Download everything on your iPad and start using your iPad. And I looked at her, I said, well, I have an idea. Since you are recommending an iPad for me, then you should buy it. She said, Daddy, you hear that? We have to buy him an iPad. Organize. That's what she's saying now, Father, inside. And all of that because I asked her to just print something for me. She buffed me up. But you know what? No is not the answer. No is not the answer. Any one of us, anything we ask the children for, we want this, we want that, go bring this, whether how tired they are, they're willing. They're willing to help, they're willing to give, they're willing to do. Girls, how can I say thank you? How can I really say thank you to both of you? We even took away their room to give it to foreigners to stay. We took away their room from them. And with grace, they did it. They didn't say, well, no, and I'm going to be tired, and I want my bed, and I wouldn't be able to sleep. They say, okay. They said, okay. Ladies are very particular. Ladies in particular, they're very particular about their things, isn't it? They don't like people on their bed and in their space and in their washroom, and they don't. But these girls, they're totally different. Totally different. I want you to give them a real round of applause. And I want to say to you, thank you and Bhagwan bless you. Bolo Sita Ram, Sita Ram, Sita Ram, Jai Siyavar Ram.
Sita Ram, Sita Ram, Sita Ram, Jai Siyavar Ram.
Radhe Sham, Radhe Sham, Radhe Sham, Jai Siyavar Ram.
Radhe Sham, Radhe Sham, Radhe Sham, Jai Siyavar Ram.
चितवनिया में नैना लगाया यो राम,
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 लगाया यो राम, 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 लगाया यो राम,
चितवनिया में नैना लगाया यो राम.
चितवनिया में नैना लगाया यो राम.
एकी करे हो तुम बारी दुलारी, एकी करे हो तुम बारी दुलारी, के कर किनारी तहाई आयो राम, चितवनिया में नैना लगाई आयो राम,
चितवनिया में नैना लगाया यो राम,
ओ चितवनिया में नैना लगाई आयो राम,
चितवनिया में नैना लगाया यो राम,
ए लगाई आयो राम, लगाई आयो राम,
लगाया यो राम, लगाया यो राम,
ओ लगाई आयो राम, लगाई आयो राम,
लगाया यो राम, लगाया यो राम,
चितवनिया में नैना लगाई आयो राम.
चितवनिया में नैना लगाया यो राम.
हे राजा जनक जी के प्राण एक ताने, हे राजा जनक जी के प्राण एक ताने, अरे राजा की नारी तहाई आयो राम, राजा की नारी तहाई आयो राम, चितवनिया में नैना लगाई आयो राम,
चितवनिया में नैना लगाया यो राम,
ओ चितवनिया में नैना लगाई आयो राम,
चितवनिया में नैना लगाया यो राम,
ओ लगाई आयो राम, लगाई आयो राम,
लगाया यो राम, लगाया यो राम,
ओरे लगाई आयो राम, लगाई आयो राम,
लगाया यो राम, लगाया यो राम,
ओ चितवनिया में नैना लगाई आयो राम.
चितवनिया में नैना लगाया यो राम.
When you look in front here, there are 5 people standing in front. Cinti and Ria and Rendrick and Lorenzo, and they're standing there. See these 5 people standing in front there? Though they're employed and though they're working, whatever they do with passion, with love. In the morning, those boys will come and mop the entire place and straighten the chairs, and I'm still in my bed hearing the chairs dragging, and we have Ria skating, iron this, press that, we don't like this, change that, and she never says no. Cinti, wash it quick, you have 10 minutes. She say, all right. She don't say, well, it's 20 minutes or 50 minutes or. She say, okay, I'm coming back now. I ain't sure if she even really washing it. But she bringing it back. How can we say thank you? Actually, I don't want to say thank you. I want to say God bless you. Because you know why? Every religion and every scripture says, duty above all. Man shall not live by bread alone, but by the sweat of his. And you take your job seriously. They are not Hindus, but they know everything. They sit down, they clap, they sing the chants, they enjoy, they absorb. And that deserves recommendation and commendation. I want you to give them a round of applause. And I want to say, God bless you, now and always. Thank you. Sarvebhyo devebhyo namah swaha. Om sarva papaharam devam gangyam nirmalam jalam ajpanamyadatta grihana parameshwara. Vanaspatara surabhuto gandaryo ganadvutama agre sarvadevanam dhupoyam pratigreta dhupoyam agrapayami. We all stretch our hands. Om Manala Namah, Om Manala Namah, Om Manala Namah. This evening this has brought us to the end of our devotions, but we'll be here again from 7 to 9. And then tomorrow morning for our final session of Bhagavad Mahapuran. Tomorrow morning our reading will start at maybe 9:30 and will continue, and then we will have the giving of the gift of the Gau and the Godans ceremony. So you're invited to come and join with us wherever you are. I want to say thank you on behalf of the Ganesh Utsav Foundation and Dev and Cindy especially. I want to say thank you for allowing us to keep your company for the past days. Thank you for allowing us into your home and into your space and to be a part of your home for the past few days. Listening and playing the Bhagavad in your home is even a great blessing. But what is even greater is learning from what you would have heard and adding into what you already know to make you into a better being. And I want to say, Bhagwan bless you now and always.